Welcome to my channel. I am Professor Kodan Ramaya. In this channel I produce videos on advancing technologies, job vacancies and scholarships and fellowships from different universities and organizations. In the present video, I would like to talk about Fulbright Nehru Doctoral Research Fellowships 2022-23. Fulbright Nehru Doctoral Research Fellowships for Indians. Interested and eligible candidates can check out the complete details below. These scholarships are designed for Indian scholars who are registered for a PhD at an Indian institution. These fellowships are for 6 to 9 months. Applications are invited in the following fields only: agricultural sciences, anthropology, bioengineering, chemistry, computer science, including not limited to cybersecurity, digital economy, quantum computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning and big data analytics, economics, education policy and planning, energy studies, geography including GIS and geology, history, language and literature, material science with emphasis on environmental applications, mathematical sciences, neurosciences, performing arts, physics, political science, including but not limited to international security and strategic studies, public health, public policy, sociology, urban and regional planning with emphasis on smart cities and waste management, virtual arts and women's and gender studies. The applicant will be affiliated to one US host institution for his or her grant. USIEF strongly recommends all applicants to identify institutions with which they wish to be affiliated and to correspond in advance with potential host institutions. If applicant has a letter of invitation from a US institution, he or she must include it as a part of online application. Grant benefits. The fellowships provide J1 visa support, a monthly stipend, accident and sickness program for exchanges for US government guidelines, round-trip economy, class A travel, applicable allowances and modest affiliation fees, if any. Selected scholars will have opportunities to audit non-degree courses, conduct research and gain practical work experience in suitable settings. In the US, no allowances are provided for dependents. The grant is not sufficient to support family members. In addition to the general prerequisites, the applicant should have done adequate research in the relevant field, especially in the identification of resources in India and the US. Applicant must be registered for PhD at an Indian institution on or before November 2nd, 2020. On the online application form, one of the recommendation letters must be from the PhD supervisor that comments on applicant's research need for the fellowship and must indicate the PhD registration date and topic. This grant is intended for PhD students to conduct research essential to their dissertations, thesis. Therefore, the expected PhD thesis submission date should at least be 3 months after the Fulbright Nehru grant end date. For example, if May 2023 is the grant end date, the applicant cannot submit his or her thesis before August 2023. Please indicate the PhD registration date and the expected PhD thesis submission date in the applicant annexer. The applicant can download the applicant annexer from the USIEF website. If the applicant is employed, he or she must follow the instructions carefully regarding employer's endorsement. If applicable, please obtain the endorsement from the appropriate administrative authority on the FNDR employer's endorsement form. That is Fulbright Nehru Doctoral Fellowship or Research. The employer must indicate that leave will be granted for the fellowship period. The applicant can download the FNDR employer's endorsement form from the USIEF website, and the applicant must upload a copy of original published or presented paper or extracts from the master's or the MPhil thesis on the online application form, not exceeding 20 pages. These fellowships are for doctoral level research. Applicants with PhD degrees or those at the stage of PhD thesis submission will not be considered. How to apply? So all the details are given. You can find more details and you can log on to the website, official website. I hope this video is very informative, and if you find so, you can like my video and share the video among your friends and well-wishers of your same cadre. And if you are watching my video for the first time, you can subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. The web link is given at the end of this description box. Thank you for watching my video. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. See you next video.